Temporarily change directory for single batch file command. In shell scripting, if I need to run a command from a directory, I can ask a subshell to ensure I return to the original context. Can this be done in Windows batch files or CMD files? Doing the same in batch files leaves me in the new directory. I can do, but the path is dependent on the success of command. Any ideas?
If you do, you'll be left, as you state, in the /Windows folder. Try, and you should find yourself back where you started.
By default, Windows batch files are run in the parent shell's context, which is unusual for Unix users, where an explicit source is needed, but was the only possibility in MS-DOS. This means directory changes and environment variables affect the original interactive shell too. Put set local at the top of your script to make it run in its own context. You can safely use cd inside the script then.
As Grady previously mentioned, push /Windows and amp and amp. Foobar and amp, popped, would work better than push /Windows and amp, foobar and amp, popped, because the latter may fail if there is no such directory. Also, using set local and end local allows you to have multiple local environments, so for example you could have set local, cd dir, command, end local. Now you would be back in your original directory.
You can use cd to go back to the previous working directory. And use, instead of and amp and amp, then the subsequent commands won't be dependent on the success of previous commands.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.